How to improve piano black paint. Hi, I'm Ivan.
And I'm Mark.
And this is DIY Detail. Today on Mark's vehicle, his piano black is looking good. We're gonna make it look great. And we're gonna show you a simple, easy way to do it. In order to do this, first we need to wash the vehicle, which we've already done. Next, we need to decontaminate. And even though it's a plastic surface, we are gonna use our decontamination towel. I happen to have one in the bucket here. We'll add a bit of rinseless to the surface. And then using the decontamination towel with the rinseless as lubrication, clean off any potential contamination. This door we're going to leave undone. That way you'll be able to see the difference. We'll dry that off. Now we're ready to polish.
Now it might be difficult to show on camera, Ivan, but
Yes.
I do have a number of very noticeable scratches
Yes.
on this piano black panel.
They may not completely go away.
Yep.
Piano black is a cast plastic. And if you try to polish it too much, you will actually break through that outer skin.
Yep.
And then there's no way of getting it back.
Okay.
So the deeper scratches might remain a little bit, but we'll definitely get rid of all the little hazing and
Fantastic.
Clean it up. So next, if you can grab the polisher behind you, Mark, and the pad washer, please.
Rinseless wash.
Yeah. This is a rinseless wash, diluted 250 to 1. Spray a little bit into the pad. Run it over the pad washer. Get the excess moisture out of the pad, and then the polisher. One spray of gold standard polish on the pad, and you never want to spray from a distance, and you don't want to aim at the center. You actually want to aim on just one half of the pad up close as it's turning. That way we have polish everywhere. Now, since we're only doing the front door, we'll just leave it open a little bit so I don't touch here. Speed 1 on the machine is all we need. We don't need to have it spinning at a high rate. You definitely do not want to create any heat on a piano black surface.
Now, Ivan, I notice you're using a rotary machine.
Yes.
Rather than the DA.
Correct.
So can you explain the difference between using a rotary and the DA on the piano black?
It's the one I had on hand.
So no difference. You can use the DA.
You can use the DA.
No problems at all.
Yeah, as easily as you can use the rotary. The one advantage the rotary has is precision. So I can follow an edge a little simpler than I can with the dual action. And we're working on piano black. On regular black textured trim, this does just as good a job. So we can easily see the difference between the two now. And those scratches, they're still a little bit there, but they're rounded over. They're no longer a white scratch.
Okay, so I've now got my reading glasses on, so I can actually see.
Yes.
And they now are hardly noticeable.
Yeah.
So when we first talked about doing this video,
Yes.
I was actually hoping they'd fully come out. The start of the video, you said they probably won't come out.
Right.
So you load my expectations.
Yes.
But looking at this now, I'm telling you, that's unbelievable.
Yeah.
I'm struggling to actually see those scratches.
Right. And if we want to, since they weren't that deep, I can give it another quick pass. We'll take a look between the two. So we've increased the gloss, we've made them better, and you can see the dirt that we're taking off the surface.
And I'm not going to tell you, we actually discussed this when I was over
Yes.
in Omaha back in October, and I said to you that I've got a lot of scratches in my piano black.
Yes.
I'm not a detailer by trade, as you know.
Yes.
I'm competent with a machine, but I said I can't bring myself to put a machine on the piano black because I know how easily it scratches.
It's sensitive, yes.
Yeah, it's a very sensitive surface. So seeing that there has taken away all those fears because that finish there is flawless.
Right. Now we do have still a little bit of those scratches, so let me give it another quick pass. So we'll show it to you before putting the sealant on it. Even better.
That's seriously, that's unbelievable. I can see one tiny little scratch still there.
Yeah.
And that's it. Everything else is gone. It's just like perfect. It's like the day I bought it.
And I wouldn't go past that point. So for polishing on piano black, we want to stay as minimal as possible. And then simply a little spritz of envy to give it some protection. Now, if you have a ceramic coating, even better to apply a ceramic coating. Now we'll close the door. You can really see the difference between the two.
Yeah, well, again, got my reading glasses off, but still you can tell it's a huge difference. That side's glossier.
Yes.
It's brighter. It's got more depth.
Yes. So we'll clean our pad and do the rest of the side because don't want to leave it just half done. Clean the pad first, obviously. We never want to put clean polish on a dirty pad.
You're expecting me to have a go at this, are you?
It's your car. Have fun.
Good to go?
Yep.
Ivan, what do you
Yeah.
think?
Very good. You're happy with it?
I'm happy with it.
So am I.
You happy with it?
Yes.
You're the expert.
I'm not an expert. I'm still a student.
A question for you.
Yes.
If you have a look here on this strip down here,
Yes.
and it's a bit hard to see, might be a bit hard to see on camera, but you've still got that little bit of hazing on there.
Correct.
It's better than it was,
Yes.
right? A little bit of hazing on there. So is there a way to actually get rid of that?
So this is piano black.
Yep.
This is anodized aluminum.
Yep.
The anodized aluminum will not react as well as the plastic.
Right.
So yes, you will clean it up a little bit, but it has limitations.
So that will remain.
Yes.
I mean, unless you look closely at it,
Yes.
you can't tell.
No, and we can see the difference between where you polish and
Yes,
where you haven't.
correct. Correct.
Yeah. This has been polished, this hasn't. So there definitely is a visible difference between the two. Now, Mark, if you wanted to, there's other tools available. We don't have to use the large rotary. We can use a little small handheld one like this. And I'll start here just because I want to spread the polish into the pad. And on this piece, right now, compared to this, this is dull. When I'm done polishing this, this will look cleaner than that. So before I started, this was dull compared to here. Now it's the other way around.
That looks as good as new. And again, even on this strip here,
Yes.
the anodized aluminium that you were talking about before, you can
Right.
tell now it's a lot closer.
Correct, yeah. So
I'm
even though,
impressed by the tool.
yeah, the little small tool will do a job. Now,
So-
this is not a tool that, if you're the detailer that likes to exert pressure on your tool, this is not the tool for you. It rewards a light touch.
So let us also, without giving away too much information,
Yes.
this tool will be available through Car Care Co. and its dealers at some stage during this year.
Right. They're, yeah.
That's really all I can say. at
Right. This
stage,
one is
but
still a prototype.
It's still a prototype.
Yes.
So it will be available
But we're just showing
in the
that
future.
even a small, low-powered polisher, you don't need to exert a lot of pressure. So now, like I mentioned, this side is much nicer than that side, so that means we still have to do this piece too.
My turn again.
Yes. Yeah.
You're right, Ivy. You put a little bit of pressure on this,
Yes.
and you can actually feel that it struggles a little bit. But just with a very light touch, it works beautifully.
And you don't need to exert pressure on a polisher. So we'll add a bit of NV ceramic detail spray, and I'm actually gonna spray the towel because I don't want to get overspray on the rest of the vehicle. Spread it in with the towel. Flip to a dry side and buff it up.
It looks fantastic. It looks brilliant.
So we have nice shiny black, piano black, the way it should be.
And it all looks the same now.
Yeah.
Which it hasn't quite looked all exactly the same for a little while now. So
Good.
but from front to back.
Yep. Excellent. Mark, before we go off to do the other side, I'd like to thank you for watching this. And if you have any comments, questions, thoughts, or ideas, please leave them below.